Yeah, you don't mind being on YouTube, right?
No, not at all. Came up here about a year ago, and I'm in the car industry. And I gotta tell you, this is one of the most humble, nice people I've met in the industry. So that's why I came back from Florida to say hey. And
thank you, sir.
Once again, it's hard to meet very good people in the industry.
Good friend, good client of ours too. So
thank you.
Good guy.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by.
Always, man.
Thanks. Yeah, so we have a Porsche Panamera here. This car is in here for body work and mechanical. Santos is taking care of the radiator, as you guys can see. We're gonna put the radiator in. We have still more work to do. So hoses, radiator, fluids. We're gonna put the radiator support as well, get everything ready. And that's it. So this car should be done very, very soon. Blocked. I can't get this Lamborghini out. It's the Christopher edition of the Panda.
Hey, wait a minute.
What do we have here, sir?
Wait, wash your car.
What is that?
Honey.
You're gonna wash the car with honey?
Yeah.
What in the world are you wearing? Oh my goodness gracious Lord, God help me. What is that?
Yes.
You have a purple beanie on with glitter. Okay, gotta go wash the car. Sorry, Chrissy.
Hey, I wash your car. Hey, yeah. I wash your car.
Alright, so you saw 3 Uruses on our previous episode. Now you see 4 Aventadors. Now we have an extreme difference variation of Aventadors right here. We'll start with the khaki green. That is actually an Aventador Roadster. The one next to it is an Aventador Roadster S. So this is an Aventador S. This is the newer model compared to that one. So this is like the newest model there is. Well, the SVJ is actually probably newer, but this is the newer basic Aventador. Next to it is pretty much basic Aventador Coupe. It has a few modifications like the wing, and this was wrapped in matte black. That one right there is the Aventador SV Coupe. So you guys already know, Chris Brown's, we're gonna be doing the full crazy mods on that one. 2 of them are wrapped. The other 2 are stock colors. They have some mods, but that one is gonna be the most modded, believe it or not. Even though the green one has a Novatech body kit, 4G auto wheels, exhaust, has a whole bunch of crazy stuff. That car right there, Chris Brown's car, is gonna be even wilder than that. So you gotta stay tuned to check it out. But yeah, there you have 4 Aventadors. We're across the street at our parking lot that we park cars in when we don't have room, so. He's dead. You have 3 chances. You have 2 more chances.
Hold on, I didn't know what I was doing.
Now you do. Nice.
How you want me to make the hole?
Yeah, same thing.
Like what he did.
Oh, hatchet it.
Yeah, bro.
Hatchet!
Well, your left is his right now.
Very dangerous.
Hey, hold the axe, man. Don't let go of the axe.
When you're doing it.
Oh my god, get away from me. Moses destroyed you.
This is that thing. I have to just put it the right way.
Okay, do it.
Okay, I have to hit it like this. Look.
Do not let go.
Oh. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
Good job.
So we have a G55 here. We're going to be putting on a roof rack. We're also going to be adding a lot of accessories to this car. Javier's taking care of this one. As you guys can see, we already have the roof rack almost built. the first portion of it. Pretty fun project for us. We're also going to put wheels and tires on after this is done. And this car is going to look pretty cool when it's ready.
Here, Moses, catch.
No, don't. Don't. Oh, shit. That's heavy.
Is it?
Yeah. So now we're on to the, we have the roof rack done. We also have the crazy upgrade in the wheels and tires. These are massive wheels and tires we're putting on the car. So it's changing the whole car up. It's starting to look really good. Very aggressive, nice. Customers gonna love it.
Here we have a 2011 G55. So this is before the 63s. This is the V8 compressor, supercharger. Really, really nice G-Wagon, honestly. You guys have seen on the channel, we do a lot of newer ones, but we also do old cars. And this 2011 is really a nice G-Wagon. Super clean. Our customer just got it for the purpose of doing this whole off-road restoration look to it. We just installed the roof rack. With the shovel, with the axe, and the gas tanks for now. We're going to be adding some more lighting features. Also, we installed these wheels and tires. As you can see, much bigger than factory. It fits like a glove, but unfortunately the turning radius is limited right now because it is touching in a few areas. So we are going to be installing a lift kit on this car. We're going to do probably about a 3 to 4 inch lift with shock, springs, all that stuff. But for now, it looks really good. Got the roof rack on there. We've done several of these. Pretty quick install. We got all of this done within a few hours, actually. We're in the back in the trunk right here. This is not factory, okay? So this is aftermarket. Really cool accessory to have. Check this out. Boom, you got a big drawer. Slides open, closes. You got 2 of them. They lock. So really secure. You could put stuff in there. This one's locked. This one's not right now, but really dope. You only lose about 6 inches of trunk space, but yeah, looks really, really nice.
Is that going to be on TMZ? Because I don't do shows for free.
No, it's just for us.
No, I want it to be on TMZ. I want to get my 15 minutes of fame.
We can try.
Okay.
We'll try.
Ready?
Okay, give us the best.
This is a song I wrote, but you can't tell nobody.
Okay, go for it. The best you can do.
All right. Hey!
Stop.
Hey,
Be nice.
Be nice, dude.
Don't worry.
I'm going to bite you. My soul, it burns for you.
Yes, come on.
So what you want to do, to have and hold and need.
Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him.
All right, guys, so we got this G-Wagon 4x4 squared right here, factory car. This customer has trouble getting into the vehicle. A lot of people do. This car is very tall. So we went ahead and installed these custom side steps. Now there's several different brands and products available for this car. A lot of them are super expensive. Brabus half side step, which is only for the front doors, is about $10,000. If you want their full step, it's about $20,000 because it comes with their exhaust system. Very good product, but you know, it has the Brabus name attached to it. Mansory has some steps, also over $10,000. This one is closer to about $6,000. This one we custom make, custom brackets. It has lights just like the Brabus one. It works the same way, sturdy, does its job. This one comes really low as well. One problem with the G-Wagons and side steps, there's not much room to hide them, because you do have a factory step right here. So you can't really hide it under there, because when it comes out, it's not gonna come out forward, it's gonna come down. So very tough to do side steps on this car the proper way. And boom, you get a big side step, very wide, about 7 inches wide, so you have a lot of foot pad. When you are sitting in it, it's really tall to go down. As you can imagine, when you get off of it, you're gonna have to jump down, so you could step down easily, close the door, has a few seconds delay for safety, and it goes right back up.